And a federal trial is underway in Medford right now for a Klamath Falls man accused of kidnapping.
We've covered this story a lot. 30-year-old Negasi Zuberi faces criminal charges of kidnapping, transportation for criminal sexual activity, attempted escape, and weapons charges. Zuberi was in federal court in Medford today. The opening arguments laid out his case, defending himself against the U.S. Attorney's case against him. And Newswatch 12's Jerry Howard was in that courtroom today as well as the trial started in a case that has gotten a lot of national attention. Jerry, what do you have for us today?
Tim and Haley, the trial is underway here for 30-year-old Negasi Zuberi of Klamath Falls, who's accused of kidnapping two different women, one of whom escaped his Klamath Falls home in a way that led to his arrest. Today in court, the jury heard the federal government present its case and argue that Zuberi kidnapped two women as part of a larger plan to target and control vulnerable women. Prosecutors have notes they say outline Zuberi's Operation Takeover and his target and control list. An assistant U.S. attorney told jurors just in the past hour how Operation Takeover listed steps such as leave phone at home and, quote, make sure they don't have a bunch of people in their life you don't want any type of investigation, end quote. Well, an investigation uncovered that note, and prosecutors say they show Zuberi's plan to take power, control, and sexual domination of women. Zuberi has pleaded not guilty. At his last hearing, he called some federal government claims lies. Today he was silent, except for the sound of handcuffs when he came into and left the courtroom. Now, Zuberi's case includes 2 kidnapping counts, a sex crime, and 4 ammunition and weapons charges, and they come from owning them as a convicted felon. That conviction comes from a Florida case that involves assault with a deadly weapon. And coming up at Newswatch 12 at 5, we'll hear more about what we learned from today's opening arguments in the case. Live at the federal courthouse in Medford, Jerry Howard, Newswatch 12.